Oh yeah, it's racing day.
Yes, sir.
It's racing day. It's racing Byrds. JBA. LS0. And it's gonna be fun, man. I'm excited. Got the cars chilling. That thing's amazing. Can't wait for that to jump on the track. We got that VIP spot. Yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm excited. So we're here in Fontana, Auto Club Speedway. We're gonna do some autocrossing today, but this isn't your regular autocrossing. This is your competition. And this is my first time competing. Savon, is this your first time competing?
Yeah.
Damn, Savon's first time competing. Alan, is this your? Oh yeah, you're not.
Oh. We're getting there.
he just graduated, so shout out to this guy, Alan. You guys may know him as Stormtrooper on IG. The most stock V6. Well, used to be. He's about to be the fastest CA. Yeah, he's got his money down for a new Z06. Yeah, I wish I could do that. But yeah, we're gonna go walk the track in a minute, go and see how it looks. They're telling me this one's more speed derived, a couple hard parts here and there. We're gonna go check it out, take a little walk and see if this old girl can keep up. Alignment's good, tires are back on, or at least the good ones, but they're heavy. I didn't realize how really heavy they were until we put them back on. But yeah, let's go and walk the track. Everybody getting ready. Yeah. This is looking good. Oh man. Okay. Even the first part is gnarly, but it's gonna definitely put work into our driving. I'm excited. All right, walk the track, and it's a doozy. We got some really good spots that have plenty of flooring it. Maybe try out the new no lift shifting. But look at this guy. Look at him. But yeah, maybe the no lift shifts. But outside of that, it's very tight in some spots. Like right here, that spot over there, heavy the back end. Yeah. So sorry brakes. Sorry tires. But it's very exciting. It's a large track, and there's a couple spots that are like the asphalt's all tore up too, so I had to account for that. But it's looking good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Back there.
Nice straights though. That's pretty.
Yes.
Speedy.
That straight back there. This little tiny one here, and then that one back there. So I'm excited. I'm ready, dude. Alan, you're missing out, man. Come on, bro.
Let him do
yeah, you just brought the Accord, man. Smoke everybody out there. All right, I guess now it's mentally preparing ourselves, taking the pre-race restroom break. Trying to keep it PG for the kids watching. But outside of that, I think we'll be having a driver's meeting soon, and then we'll be ready to go.